we have completed the all the cases of the conformals transformation w equal to z square. So all the 4 cases we have taken there, and also I told how the questions will be arises based on the cases there. So and that I have mentioned for the 4th case, I have given the question that show that the transformation w equal to z square transforms a circle mod z minus a equal to r into a limicon and chordioid. That is a kind of the question they may ask for based on the cases. So now based on the conformals transformation, now there are some questions depends on the conformals transformation we have to see now. So now take down the example. So in that the example is, take down the example first. Find the region, find the region in the W plane, find the region in the W plane bounded by the lines, x equal to 1, y equal to 1, x plus y equal to 1. Under the transformation, w equal to z square, indicate the region, with a sketches. So based on the transformation w equal to z square, we have to find out the region bounded for the lines x equal to 1, y equal to 1, x plus y equal to 1. So here the given transformation is w equal to z square. So we start the solution. Here the transformation given is w equal to z square. We know that z equal to x plus iy. Substitute that z here. X plus iy whole square. Apply a plus b whole square. X square, I square, y square plus 2i xy. So I square is minus 1, minus into plus minus, x square minus y square plus I into 2xy. We know that w is equal to u plus iv. Now we have to make an real and imaginary parts separations. Here the real part u is equal to x square minus y square, v is equal to 2xy. Call this one as equation 1. Now the first case is given, means the first equation given is x equal to 1. The line given is x equal to 1. So first consider x equal to 1. When x equal to 1, this equation 1 becomes, means consider x equal to 1. Now the 1 becomes, when x is 1, u equal to 1 minus y square. When x is equal to 1, v is equal to 2y. v is equal to 2y. If v is equal to 2y, y is equal to v by 2. Substitute a y equal to v by 2 here. So u equal to 1 minus y whole square, means v divided by 2 whole square is v square divided by 4. That is v square divided by 4 is equal to 1 minus u. So v square is equal to 4 into bracket 1 minus u. Take a minus sign common. Minus 4 of u minus 1, that is v square equal to minus 4 of u minus 1. Now comparing this equation with the standard formula of the equation of the parabola, that is y square equal to minus 4a of x minus h is a parabola, with a vertex a comma 0 and symmetric about the u axis and symmetric about the here it is x axis. Comparing this with this standard equation of the parabola, we declare that this is an equation of a parabola with the vertex 1 comma 0 and symmetric above the u axis and focus at the origin Comparing this with this standard form of the equation, we declare that our conclusion given is v square is equal to, that is v square equal to minus 4 of u minus 1. V square equal to minus 4 of u minus 1. This is a parabola. In the W plane. This is a parabola in the W plane with a vertex 1 comma 0 and symmetrical above the u axis Clear? When x is a 1 in the z plane, which is mapped onto a parabola in the w plane with the vertex at 1 comma 0. So that is the conclusion given here. Suppose this is your z plane and this one is your w plane. At the end I will draw the graph for all the combining of all the three lines, but before that I am just giving an understanding purpose. I just drawing the graphs separately here. So when x is equal to 1, x and y axis, x equal to 1, suppose your 1 is here, x equal to 1 is a straight line parallel to x axis, so this one is x equal to 1, which is mapping onto a parabola with a vertex at 1 comma 0. Suppose your vertex 1 comma 0 is here, then this one is a parabola. Symmetric above the u axis and the focus is at the origin. So this is a parabola. For x equal to 1, x equal to 1 is mapped onto a parabola with the vertex at 1 comma 0. So now we are considering y is equals to 1. When y is equal to 1 again, consider y equal to 1. Come for the second one, in second line, consider y equal to 1. Now the equation 1 becomes, so our equation 1 is u equal to x square minus y square. So u is equal to x square minus y equal to 1 square. V is equal to 2xy. V is equal to 2x, y is equal to 1. So x is equal to v divided by 2. Substitute x in this equation. U is equal to x equal to v by 2 v divided by 2 whole square minus 1, that is equal to v square divided by 4, send a 1 on to this side, u plus 1, that implies v square equal to 4 into u plus 1. Again compare this equation with the y square equal to minus 4a of x minus h, which is a parabola with the vertex at a comma 0. Comparing this with the here, we declare that v square of 4 of u plus 1 is a parabola with a vertex at minus 1 comma 0. This is a, that is v square equal to 4 of u plus 1. This is a parabola. This is a parabola with a vertex. This is a parabola with a vertex minus 1 comma 0 and symmetric above the u axis and symmetrical above the u axis, and focus is at a origin. So graph taken is, the graph can be taken as, so y equal to 1 is a straight line parallel to x axis. So this one is y equal to 1. That is the z plane, which is mapping onto a parabola of the vertex at minus 1 comma 0 and focus at a origin. So this is the mapping of a y equal to 1 to a parabola with a vertex at minus 1 comma 0. Now come to the third case, means consider x plus y equal to 1. Consider x plus y equal to 1 or y equal to 1 minus x. Now the 1 becomes, now our equation 1 becomes, so we know that u is equal to x square minus y square, x square minus y square, y is equal to 1 minus x whole square, v is equal to 2x into y, y is equal to 1 minus x. First here apply a minus b whole square. Here outside minus is there, so put a bracket, a square minus b square, plus b square minus 2ab that becomes x square minus 1 minus into plus minus x square minus into minus plus 2x, that is equal to x square cancelled minus 1 plus 2x, minus 1 plus 2x. Here v equal to 2x of 1 minus x. See here, keep a 2x here as it is, send a minus 1 onto the RHS side, that becomes u plus 1. 2x equal to u plus 1, x equal to 1 by 2 into u plus 1. Now I am taking these substitutions here. Now v is equal to 2x is equal to u plus 1. X is equal to 1 by 2 into u plus 1. 1 minus x is equal to u plus 1 divided by 2. U plus 1 into bracket, take the LCM, 2, put a bracket because here it is minus sign, minus into plus, minus u, minus into plus, minus 1. Now 1 by 2 is common, keep as it is 1 by 2. U plus 1, solve the numerator here. So that becomes 1 minus u, because 2 minus 1 is plus 1 minus u. You can also write a u plus 1 as a 1 plus u. 1 by 2 into 1 plus u into 1 minus u. A plus b into a minus b. That is a square minus b square. A square minus b square. Send a 1 by 2 onto the RHS side. 2v 1 minus u square. U square is equal to 1 minus 2v. Take a minus 2 common outside. Take a minus 2 common outside. Now it becomes plus v. Here 1 by 2, here 2 taken outside. So multiply both numerator and denominator of this term to 2. Then it becomes minus 1 divided by 2. Minus 2 into bracket v minus 1 by 2. That is your u square. Comparing this with your standard form, x square equal to minus 4a of y minus h is a parabola with a vertex set 0, a and symmetrical above the y-axis. Comparing with the standard parabola, x square equal to minus 4a of y minus h. So that this is a parabola. This is a parabola. This is a parabola with a vertex. This is a parabola in a W plane. In the W plane with a vertex 0, 1 by 2. 0, 1 by 2, because here it is minus 4a, here it is minus 2. You have to convert a 2 in terms of 4 as like a 4 into 1 by 2. 4 into 1 by 2 is nothing but the 2. So 4 into a is equal to 1 by 2, like that. So 0, 1 by 2. And symmetrical above the y-axis, means symmetrical above the v-axis. This is a standard form, and we are just comparing it with the standard form of the parabola. So that x plus y equal to 1 is a straight line, means this is an intercept form which is intercept the x-axis at a point 1, 0 and y-axis at a point 1, 0, 1. So which is a line in the form of the intercept. So which is mapping onto a parabola with the vertex at 0, 1 by 2. So 0, 1 by 2 is here, suppose. Then this is a parabola symmetric above the v-axis. This is the W plane and this one is Z plane. So mapping of all these lines means x is equal to 1, y is equal to 1, x plus y is equal to 1. Now I am combining all the three graphs. So how to combine all the graphs? So no need of take the graph separately. After the explanation of all the cases, you can draw the graph, this one, that is sufficient. So this graph is sufficient for all the three cases here. So consider the 1, that is y equal to 1. X is equal to 1, 0 comma 1 by 2, sorry, x plus y is equal to 1. Now consider 1 comma 0, 0 comma 1, and here it is 0 comma 1 by 2. So 0 comma 1 is a parabola with the vertex set, so which is symmetric over the u-axis, and this one is a parabola for the line x equal to 1. Just draw it neatly, it is not correct, please draw it neatly, because pencil, if you have a pencil you can draw it neatly with a eraser. So now 0 comma 1 by 2. Now this is a graph of combining of all the three graphs. This graph is also drawn here, and this graph is also taken here, and finally the case 1, that is also drawn in this combined graph. So this is a graph, means this is the graph of the W plane bounded by the lines x equal to 1, y equal to 1, x plus y equal to 1. Now I am marking the common region bounded. This line also bounded here, this line also bounded, and this line also bounded. So this is a common region which is bounded by these lines. All the three lines are bounded here. Now this line means this equation means this parabola, and this parabola. All the three are bounded in this region. This is a common region in which all the three parabolas are bounded. So that is the graph of the W plane. When x is equal to 1, y is equal to 1, x plus y is equal to 1. So this is an equation of u square is equal to, v square is equal to minus 4 of u minus 1, and this one is v square is equal to 4 of u plus 1, and this one is u square is equal to minus 2 of v minus 1 by 2. So this is the graph for the plane, W plane.